If your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G is automatically turning off, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. Now first of all, if you have applied a hard case on your tablet, just remove it because it might be interfering with the working of the buttons of your tablet. And also just check if the buttons are working on your tablet or not. If they are not working properly, just use a soft cloth and dampen the cloth using isopropyl alcohol and rub the cloth on the buttons area, because there might be some dust or debris stuck in the buttons which might be causing this issue. So just clean the buttons area of the tablet and check if your issue is fixed or not. Now if you have done that and if this also did not work, then just plug your tablet into charge, because your tablet might be low on charge and this is why it might be automatically turning off as you turn it back on. So just charge your tablet for a few minutes, then check if your issue is fixed or not. Now, if this also did not work, then just perform a restart on your tablet. For that, just open the control center, and the control center just tap on the power icon and select restart. Then tap on restart one more time to restart your tablet. By doing that, you will clear any minor glitch in the software which might be causing this issue. Now, if this also did not work, then just go to the control center again and open the power menu, but this time just press and hold on the power off icon. After you see safe mode, just tap on it to enter into safe mode. And once you enter into safe mode, all the third-party apps on your tablet will be disabled. Now if you have noticed that after you have entered into safe mode, your tablet is not turning off automatically, then this means that your issue is caused because of a third-party app which you have installed. Now to fix this issue, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Apps. Now in this app list, just look for any third-party app which you have installed recently and uninstall it from here. Now just do the same with all the other third-party apps on your tablet until your issue is fixed. But if this also did not work, first of all, just remove your tablet from safe mode. For that, just open the control center, perform a restart on your tablet. Now after the restart process is completed, then just go to Settings, and under Settings just scroll down and tap on Device Care. Now from here just scroll down and tap on Auto Optimization. Now if the auto restart feature is enabled on your tablet, just turn it off, because if both of these features are enabled, your tablet will automatically restart when it detects performance issues. So just disable both of these toggles to disable the auto restart feature. Now after you do that, then just tap on General Management under Settings, and from here just tap on Reset. Now on this page, just tap on Reset All Settings. Tap on Reset Settings, then enter your lock screen PIN or pattern. After that, just tap on Reset, and by doing that, you will reset all the settings of your tablet. And do not worry, this option will not delete any data of your tablet. It will just reset all the settings of your tablet in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. But if you have done all that and if none of these methods worked, then you might have a hardware problem with your tablet. Just take your tablet to any service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G keeps turning off. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.